Running out of storage on your OPPO phone? In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to transfer files from OPPO to a USB flash drive quickly. Let's get started. Way 1. Transfer files from OPPO to USB flash drive via MobiKin software. A computer-based tool like MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac helps you back up OPPO files easily. You can preview and select photos, videos, contacts, and other data, then export them directly to a USB flash drive. User Manual. Install and launch MobiKin Assistant for Android on your computer. Connect your OPPO phone to the computer with a USB cable, and enable USB debugging if prompted. Connect your OPPO and USB drive to the computer. Select the files, click Export, choose the USB flash drive, and wait for the transfer to finish. Way 2. Transfer files from OPPO to USB flash drive directly. Connect the USB flash drive to your OPPO Open File Manager, select Files, and copy or move them to the USB drive. Safely eject it when finished. Way 3. Transfer from OPPO to USB flash drive via USB OTG adapter. Connect the USB drive via an OTG adapter. Open File Manager, select Files, and copy or move them to USB storage. Eject safely when done. Way 4. Copy files from OPPO to USB flash drive using Files by Google. Open Files by Google, connect the USB drive, select Files, choose Move or Copy, and transfer them to the USB drive. Eject safely when finished.